of root over x divided by a minus x dx. ठीक है? अगर I is of the मनीष साहब मलाई बताउँदा x को भ्यालु के पुट गर्ने त्यसले गर्दा फर्मुला बनाउँछ यसमा मनीष
सर
के पुट गर्दा फर्मुला बन्छ a त मैले a स्क्वायर छैन a त बनाउनै पर्यो अनि a कमन दिन्छु भने sin स्क्वायर थीटा पुट गर्दा 1 - sin स्क्वायर थीटा भनेको cos स्क्वायर थीटा हो कि होइन
हो
अब यसको डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्नु ल dx by dt का एक कांस्टेंट बाहिर निस्क्यो d by dt का यसलाई sin स्क्वायर थीटालाई sin थीटा को होल स्क्वायर लेख्न पाइन्छ आयो अब यो मेरो पावरफुल लाग्छ ल 2 sin थीटा अनि d sin थीटा by dt का लेख्न पाउँछु कि पाउँदिन पाइन्छ कि पाइदैन
यस सर पाइन्छ त्यही गर्नुपर्छ सर
यो डेरिभेटिभ डेरिभेटिभ को पूरी कमांड फॉर्म पर्छ
कमांड
dx = 2a sin थीटा into sin थीटा को डेरिभेटिभ cos थीटा हुन्छ यो d थीटा लाई क्रस मल्टिप्लिकेसन गरे d थीटा लेख्न पाइन्छ
यस सर
अब यो नाउ यो I मा के चेन्ज आयो हैन I = इंटीग्रेशन x भ्यालु के छ a sin स्क्वायर थीटा डिवाइडेड बाइ a माइनस यो x को भ्यालु के छ a sin स्क्वायर थीटा अनि dx को भ्यालु के छ 2a sin थीटा into cos थीटा d थीटा लेख्न पाउँदिन भ्यालु पुट गरेको
हो सर
अब यहाँ हेर्नु ल फेरि के हुँदैछ ल यहाँनिर मैले डाइरेक्ट गर्दैछु a क्यान्सल हुन्छ माथि sin थीटा हुन्छ तल cos थीटा हुन्छ अनि इन्टु 2a sin थीटा into cos थीटा d थीटा लेख्न पाइन्छ कि पाइदैन पाइन्छ कि पाइदैन
पाइन्छ सर
अनि cos थीटा क्यान्सल भयो 2a cos थीटा बाहिर निस्क्यो यो भनेको sin स्क्वायर थीटा d थीटा आयो अब sin स्क्वायर आउँदाखेरि मैले बताएको थिएँ cos थीटा मा कन्भर्ट गर्नु 1 - cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाइ 2 हुन्छ 2 कमन निकाल्दिए 2a डिवाइडेड बाइ 2 यो डाइरेक्ट गरिरहेको थीटा यसको sin 2 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाइ 2 लास्टमा प्लस c लेख्न पाइन्छ अघि नै गरे जस्तै मैले आइदिए करेन पाइयो 2 क्यान्सल भयो a भयो अब थीटा को भ्यालु चाहियो यहाँनिर अनि यहाँ मलाई बताउँछ और sin थीटा को भ्यालु मैले डाइरेक्ट रूट ओभर x बाइ रूट ओभर a लेख्न पाउने नपाउने
पाउनु पर्ने हो सर
स्क्वायर त त्यसैले यो रूटमा भयो नि अब यो मैले राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल यहाँ ड्रा गरे माथि यो मेरो थीटा हो यो भनेको परपेंडिकुलर बाइ हाइपोटेन्युस हो भने बेस रूट ओभर a माइनस x हुन्छ कि हुँदैन
हुन्छ सर
जनाले यो थीटा जस्ताको त्यस्तै लेखे यो भनेको 2 sin थीटा into cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाइ 2 गरिदिए लास्टमा प्लस c गरे 2 क्यान्सल भयो a यो थीटा को भ्यालु वाला बताउँदा के हुन्छ
रूट अंडर x बाय
ए थीटा को भ्यालु
sin इन्भर्स रूट अंडर x बाय
sin इन्भर्स रूट ओभर x बाइ रूट a माइनस 2 क्यान्सल भयो अब sin थीटा को भ्यालु रूट x डिवाइडेड बाइ रूट a हो cos थीटा भनेको बेसमा आयो बेस भनेको रूट ओभर x माइनस a डिवाइडेड बाइ हाइपोटेन्युस भनेको रूट a हो लास्टमा प्लस c गर्न पाउँछु कि पाउँदिन
यस सर
हो अब त्यो त क्याल्कुलेसन त सक्छु नि रूट a भनेको a भइहाल्छ अनि मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने यो a देखिने क्यान्सल हुन्छ यो होल रुटमा लगाउँदिनु सक्छु नि गर्न यो पनि मैले नै गर्दियो
हैन सर गर्न सक्छौं सर अब पक्का
तिमीहरुको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्युसन सक्यो नेक्स्ट अब हाम्रो आउँछ इंटीग्रेसन टाइप पार्ट आउँछ त्यसमा पनि मेरो ख्यालले 1 देखि 1.5 वटा क्लास चाहिन्छ मलाई सिकाउन 1 देखि 1.5 वटा क्लास अब धेरै प्रब्लम गरे भने 1.5 वटा क्लास थोरै प्रब्लम गरे भने एउटा क्लासमा मजाले सकिन्छ यो क्वेशनमा त्यो एक्सरसाइजमा तिमीहरु कहीं अड्किदैनौ एउटा भी नम्बर XYZ सेम क्वेशन हो भी नम्बर मात्र एउटा प्रब्लम हुन्छ बाकी तिमीहरुलाई
सर
भन्ने
सर 3 का 4 नंबर हेर्नुहुन्छ
3 को 4 नंबर
यस सर
दोनों log x plus root over a square minus a square plus x square आंसर आउँछ के निकाल्यो तिमीले सोनु तिमीले निकालेको हो कि गरेकै छैनौ
सो हेरेको यस्तो के गर्ने ताले लागेन
ए x को भ्यालु त्यहाँ पुट गर नि a tan थीटा पुट गर नि निस्किदै जान्छ म लास्ट को आन्सर मा आऊ डाइरेक्ट
सर जस्तो a स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर छ नि त x स्क्वायर को ठाउँमा हामीले sin थीटा पुट गर्ने हो नि
a tan थीटा
a tan थीटा आयो
अनि फर्मुलामा आएन र a स्क्वायर कमनले पनि 1 + tan स्क्वायर थीटा भनेको sec स्क्वायर थीटा होइन
यस सर
यताउति लेफ्टतिरको मेटुमा
मेरो लाइन भागेको थियो गरेको छैन मैले
यो क्वेशन नम्बर 4 को जो छ नि तिमीले सोनु तिमी कहाँ अड्किन्छौ तिमीले सल्भ गर्दै जान्छौ यसको भ्यालु आउँछ log x + root over x square plus a square divided by यहाँ 2 आउँछ ठीक छ अनि प्लस c आउँछ ठीक छ अब त्यहाँ बुकमा यो 2 छैन त्यसैले के दिएको छ भने नि त्यहाँ गर्छ के भने log x by y माथिकोलाई x मान्ने तलकोलाई y मान्ने भने log यहाँ तल लेख्छु log x plus root over x square plus a square minus log 2 लेख्ने
log x minus y आउँछ सर
log x minus log y फर्मुलामा लाग्दा मिलिहाल्छ हाम्रो तिमीले त्यो भ्यालु पुट गर नि अगर निस्किएन भने नेक्स्ट क्लासमा म गर्दिन्छु
ल हुन्छ सर हुन्छ
ट्राई गर्नु सजिलै क्वेशन हो यो बुकमा छ यस्तो क्वेशन गरेको होला कहाँ गरेछ तिमीले ट्राई गर्ने ए थीटा पुट गरेर निस्किहाल्छ ल थ्यांक यू आज
मनीष गुप्ता भाई
बोल
a into 2 के हो a into 2 sin थीटा into के होते हो
कुन स्टेप
थर्ड स्टेप पुट x देखि त्यो थर्ड स्टेप
पुट x equals to a sin square theta
होइन रे योमा dx by d थीटा छ नि त्योमा
त्यही त पुट x equals to a sin square theta हैन
हो
त्यहाँदेखि डेरिभेटिभ लगाएको
अनि त्यो छ नि
ए सुन न डेरिभेटिभ अलिकति कन्सेप्ट याद गर अलिकति कि साइन स्क्वायर या फिर जे को पनि स्क्वायर हुन्छ भने पावर रुल लागिहाल्छ सुरुमा पावर रुल लाग्दाखेरि के हुन्छ त्यसको पावर जुन हुन्छ 2 अगाडि आउँछ अनि जुन त्यो साइन थीटा हुन्छ मतलब या फिर यहाँ साइन थीटा छ या फिर जुन त्यसको त्यो एक्सप्रेसन हुन्छ त्यो सेकेन्डमा आउँछ अनि लास्टमा के लाग्छ त डी साइन थीटा मतलब जुन हाम्रो दिएको छ डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्नको लागि त्यसको बाइ हाम्रो जुन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टु वाट हामी निकालिरहेको छौँ दैट इज डी थीटा
ए अरे बुझे
याद आयो के
खतरा है
इंटीग्रेशन पढाइरहनु भएको छ भनेर
के भयो
अस्तिको क्लासमा क्या थाहा पनि थिएन इन्टिग्रेसन पढाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भनेर मैले स्टेटको भनिदिरहेको थिएँ
ट्रुथ टेबल
ट्रुथ टेबल
यस्तो हुन्छ के
तेरो क्यामेरा अफ गर्न रे के हेराउँछ
के हेरिस भन्दा
अन हुनै आँटेको थियो मेरो बोर्ड डिस्टर्ब भइरहेछ यार क्लियर छैन यतिकै यार पछि गर्नुपर्छ यार राइट
गुड आफ्टरनुन
सर
हाउ आर यू
एब्सोल्युटली फाइन
Who is there in the classroom? Who is in front of that board?
Good, I think so.
Nobody?
Yeah.
So I think we have. I think we have completed talking about the lessons. Have we?
I don't think so.
Sorry.
So we had completed all the pieces of writings. Now I think
All of
is
all. Yes, all the pieces of writing, especially
yeah,
from the literature portion,
yeah.
and from language development, we have done with we are done with the grammar portion. Is it the case?
Yes, sir.
So what are we supposed to do then?
I guess at first, sir, what do you want to give? And,
Do you want any lessons to be revised in English?
Yes, sir, I want.
Either from literature or from the language development?
Literature.
Kalyan?
From literature.
It may be because of the network issue that I am not able to understand what you say. Kalyan.
I said from literature. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Which chapter? Yes, I can hear. From literature, which chapter?
The refund.
Refund? You were not
Yes.
there. Where have you been? I have just shared a hands out on refund in Teams.
Okay, sir, I will go through it.
Please go through that, and even if it doesn't make any sense, you can get back to me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Did you hear that? This is a two-word
sir,
page hands out. I have tried to include the plot summary, the characters, some question answers, not all. And that will give you an idea about the drama, how to deal with that. Any other issues?
sir, that
Which one?
a sunny morning, the initiating that
Sunny
ini
morning. What
yeah,
happened?
initiating that what to say? That I'm missing that word. Initiating
Initiating what?
beginning wala to what to say that. Wait, sir, I remember then I tell.
Remember.
Yes, sir. Initiating setup of that story. Once
Okay, setup of the
a sunny morning.
sunny morning.
Yes, sir.
When we talk about setup, it has to be about place, and the other thing is time. The information on time is given by the title of the drama, A Sunny Morning.
Hello, sir.
And hello,
Yeah.
do you hear me, Manish?
Yes, sir. Yeah. You are audible.
From the title, we can make a guess about the time setting. Okay, it is sunny morning, morning time. About location, it is a park. They are sitting in a park. The park is located in somewhere in the city of Manchester. Madrid. Madrid is the capital city of Spain. The drama is written by Spanish writers. It is obviously that the setting is inside Spain. The whole action takes place in a park in the city of Spain, in the capital city of Spain.
So in that park, sir, both the characters meet at first and they sit
Yes.
together and they
So
start
at yes,
recognizing
yes,
other.
this is what happens in the beginning. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. We are able.
Yes. So at first, Laura enters the scene with her maid Petra because she is so old that she cannot do her tasks alone. She has to depend on a servant. Similarly, Gonzalo also has a servant. The name is Juanito. He appears in the scene after Donna Laura. She sits on a bench, starts feeding the pigeons. After some time, Don Gonzalo enters the scene. When he sees that the bench on which he used to sit has been occupied by other persons, so he shares the bench with Donna Laura. And at first, because Gonzalo started talking in loud voice, Laura believed that he scared her pigeons and they start quarreling with each other. They start annoying and irritating each other with pinching words. But after some time, Gonzalo has a habit of taking a snuff. Okay, do you know snuff?
Not much.
The
What is
tobacco
it, sir?
powder?
Oh.
The
Kindly.
powdered tobacco which is inhaled by nose. So that whenever you feel uneasy, you inhale that, and after that you sneeze out once, twice, or
Oh, that
thrice,
thing.
and this feels relieved.
Yes,
It
sir.
doesn't have to be any special tobacco powder. Any tobacco powder can make you sneeze. You may have experienced that when you are in market, when somebody just prepares that tobacco in his hand and you happen to smell that powder, and you sneeze at the time. So Gonzalo had a habit of taking the snuff. So he takes out the snuff, offers a pinch to Laura, and both of them take the snuff, and coincidentally Laura and Gonzalo had a habit of sneezing 3 times after taking a pinch of snuff. And after that strange coincidence, they happen to behave uh, gently with each other. Okay, they are not fighting anymore. They start talking about their hometowns, the their favorite poets. Okay, and after that you know the story. Do you?
Yes, sir. That Laura says that she was something. What
Yes,
happens to her?
both of them realized that they had lived in the nearby location during their youth,
Yeah.
and they happen to give a reference to each other, but they pretend that they are not the same person. Gonzalo says that, okay, you are from that place, then you must know that lady named Laura Lorente. She was the most beautiful lady at that time. And Laura doesn't say that I was the same lady. Laura doesn't say that. Oh yes, I know that lady. She was my best friend. She says that. She doesn't reveal her identity because
both of them knew that they were true lovers at their time, and because of some unfavorable condition, they were separated and had been living a different life. And at the age of 70, there was no use of expressing the same relationship because they were unable to do anything. So they decided not to express their real identity. They try to devise different story of about their past. Both of them say that they are best friends. Gonzalo says that the young Gonzalo was his cousin, and says that when he was separated from Laura, he was so sad that he joined the army, and when he was posted in Africa, he was killed in a war. Laura also said that when she realized that she was not able to meet Gonzalo again, she was so sad that she went to the seashore one day. She was sitting on a rock, and the high tide swept her, took her away, and she drowned and died in the sea.
Sir, what was the actual reason for separation?
Actual reason was because Laura's parents did not like her relationship with Gonzalo, okay, and they wanted her to get married with a local merchant, and Laura did not like to get married with that merchant. And one day, when Gonzalo had a fight with that merchant, uh, he hurt him so badly that he had a fear of getting punished. So he fled from his hometown. He had to leave that place, fearing the punishment, and he did not get back after that incident.
Oh,
Okay, so this is the reason is here. I will highlight that. One day there was a quarrel between Gonzalo and the merchant. The merchant was wounded. Gonzalo fled from his hometown to Seville and then to Madrid. After that they start the old characters, they divide the same story into their own versions, but this was the reality. Up to Gonzalo leaving the place is a true story. After that, when both of them realize that they are not able to meet with each other, so they decided to start their own life. So Gonzalo ran off to Paris with a ballet dancer and started living with her. He got married with her. Even Laura got married after 2 years.
What is ballet dancer? That meaning, sir? Meaning of ballet dancer?
Ballet is a type of dance.
Which type?
Sorry,
bad liars and questionable
Which
dancers
type
also.
of dance? Do you have any idea about
I cannot express that here.
the dance which are on the live mission song with that?
Sorry.
No, sir. No, no. Okay, okay, okay.
No. Okay. Ballet is a type of perform. I'm just reading it out from Wikipedia. Okay. Ballet is a type of performance dance that originated during the Italian Renaissance in the 15th century. You can find.
Sir, I can explain him better.
Okay.
Wait, Sonu.
Sonu, you just meet Manish later on in leisure time and he will
No,
explain that.
sir. He
No.
has seen that video of Bad Liar song, okay, and the dance that the girl performs there
Yes.
is the ballet dancing, okay.
Yes, I know quite.
Okay, that is the ballet dance. Yes, sir. You continue, please.
So that has happened. So that is all about the sunny
Sunny
morning.
morning.
So
Yeah.
They separate from each other, and the old people, they decided to meet the next time in the same park. They decided not to reveal their identity as the past lovers. They decided to remain strangers to each other and promised that they would come to that place again and would meet and talk like that, but would not reveal their identity. Because it was already late, it was useless to express that they were the true lovers at their time and they would be able to do nothing at that. No use of that because they have already outlived their age.
Yes, sir.
I will share the hands out very shortly. Ram sir, how are you? He left.
सर फाइन
Oh, त्यतै हुनुहुन्छ?
हजुर हजुर
ए म त त्यही त अघिदेखि त्यो अर्को सेसनमा माइक खुला थियो कि सुनाखरीमा अनि
ए सुन अहिले पनि खुला छ सबैतिर बन्द गरेर हिँडेको अनि यहाँ पनि खुल्लै रहेछ तर आवाजमा आएको मात्रै हो सर
ए
ल
ओके Hmm.
So, 20 minutes remain. We have no idea much what to do. Right, sir?
What it is? What is it, Manish?
I meant like now 20 minutes remain still, but we have no idea what to do next. Or do you have any?
Will not be doing anything today.
Oh, okay.
So from next one, I'll be sharing with you some sample writing paragraphs because it will be fine, I think, to share some sample paragraphs about compositions that are given in the books. I will talk about the possible topics which is given in the books for that long answer composition. And I will also share some sample answers, not to all.
Not to all means.
Yeah.
Not to each and every question.
I means I
Arey.
think differently, sir.
Not to everyone.
Yeah.
Don't think that differently. Great people think differently. Don't be that great.
Okay, that's it.
So what do we do then? Shall we leave?
I don't know, sir. I can't tell. I think.
No. Do you have anything to talk about?
I had, and I said.
Regarding study.
Right now, I'm not able to figure out another because I did just add this
Now,
one.
in our next session, if you think that from our syllabus, from those 40 chapters, if you think that any of the chapters should be revised, you should tell me about that. It is not just about Manish, it is about everyone. It is with everyone. It can be Sonu, Kemika, Prijal, Samyam, Prajwal, Uddeep, Kaushiki, and that +5. Everyone. Is Nepali completed?
Yes, sir. That day he completed, and we are having no more periods of him now.
Already?
Yeah.
No revisions?
He will, sir. I think he'll come after some days, and he'll ask that, what is your confusion, and we'll say something.
Okay. Ramesh sir took the class or Somnath sir?
Our Somnath, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. So let us stop today then. We'll think what we can do next class.
Okay, sir.
सक्यो क्लास सक्यो ओए रेकर्डिङ स्टप गरेर जा ल गइस भने कहाँ कोही छ भने पर्फेक्ट छस् भने गरिदिइहाल्छु नि त ए यार कति दिन हेरेको कि रेकर्डिङ अनै हुन्छ नि ल त्यति के गर्ने केयर गर्न पनि कोही छैन त कहाँ छस् अहिले के क्लासमा छैनस् होइन दस क्लासमा छैन घरमा छु यार म लिभ गर्छु
सोनू को पंखा खतरा छ अरे। गइहाल्नु।